You remember I was showing him how to grip it? Now he's learning to grip it on his own. Good boy. Good boy. See, now he just has one finger. Good boy, huh? That's a good boy, huh? You gonna get it? Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, yes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's a good boy. Oh, geez, that's a good boy. That's a good boy, huh? That's a good boy. Now we just have to learn how to get this one by ourselves. Yes, that one. Yes, that's a good boy. That's a good boy.